Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to solve the 1x1 Rubik's Cube. Now, this is very, very difficult. Like, this is probably even harder than the 31x31. And that's the Guinness World Record for the biggest Rubik's Cube ever made. Well, not the biggest in size, but like biggest in amount of pieces. So like, this is the hardest challenge. If you can do this, you are amazing, and you get a lot of people. So what you want to do is we're going to scramble it up. Feel free to follow what I'm doing to get my exact scramble. So now we're getting the green side. So what you want to do is probably a case that is probably the hardest case you can ever get. You want to go this way, this way, this way, this way, this way, and then that way to where you're facing the blue. Then you're going to want to go like this, 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 and then lastly, this, where the white side is facing you. Then you want to go this way, and that way, and that way. And there you go. You just solved the 1x1 Rubik's Cube. Now, there are a lot of other cases, like this one, where the yellow is on top and the white's on bottom. What you want to do if you get this, you want to go this way, 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 and then you have completed the 1x1. There's another case that I need to show you, and it's like this. You just go like that, and that's literally the easiest case you can get. Now, I'm going to show you the hardest scramble ever. So, this is the hardest scramble you can get. Red on top, blue, orange on the bottom, yellow on the right, white on the left. So, what do you do when you get this? We'll go this way, 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 and then that, and you solved it. So like, that's how you solve the 1x1 Rubik's Cube. But to be honest, there's a lot more steps to this. I'm just showing you to be the beginner method, or the noob method. And there are way more complex ways to solving this, and that's just a brief explanation on the noob method. Now, the God method is like this, where you go like, I have to change setting. So like, you see this sticker book that I totally didn't use to make this 1x1? I'm gonna show you the God method, where if you use it, you can solve it in less than 3 seconds. Watch this. See? I solved it. And you might be wondering, but the yellow was on top. That's a scrambled one. No, because if you see, it's already solved. It's like if you grab a 3x3 right here, it's totally again not a Cyclone Boys with a GAN sticker. Like, who would do that? It's like if you were to like scramble it up and you like do that, it's solved. It's just the yellow side's facing up. And I mastered this method to where I can get 232 milliseconds. And like, that's just the beginning. Now that you know how to solve the 1x1 Rubik's Cube, please tell me, do you want me to teach you the God's method? If so, leave a comment. Now, I've got to get going. I've got a lot of stuff to do. Bye.